Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many attempts try again later on YouTube. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many attempts try again later on YouTube, you should just go to settings. In the first, you can go to apps and you will enter to YouTube app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.